Affront.
Affront mean provoke, exasperate, indignity, irreverence.
Opposite meanings are conciliate, appease, mollify, assuage.
Adversity.
Adversity mean misfortune, calamity, misery, affliction.
Opposite meanings are prosperity, fortune, assistance, favor.
Antique.
Antique mean ancient, old-fashioned, primitive, of past.
Opposite meanings are modern, recent, novelty, vogue.
Antipathy.
Antipathy mean hostility, aversion, disillusion, dislike.
Opposite meanings are admiration, approval, fascination, devotion.
Amplify.
Amplify mean enlarge, extend, dilation, elevate.
Opposite meanings are curtail, lessen, diminution, contraction.
Amass.
Amass mean gather, accumulate, store, collect.
Opposite meanings are disperse, dissipate, spend, scatter.
Alleviate.
Alleviate mean abate, relieve, mitigate, lessen.
Opposite meanings are intensify, augment, aggravate, enhance.
Admonish.
Admonish mean counsel, reprove, warn, chastise.
Opposite meanings are approve, applaud, praise, flattery.
Adjacent.
Adjacent mean adjoining, beside, proximity, closeness.
Opposite meanings are distant, separate, remoteness, aloofness.
Adherent.
Adherent mean follower, disciple, dependent, supporter.
Opposite meanings are rival, adversary, opponent, antagonist.
Accomplish.
Accomplish mean attain, succeed, triumph, exploit.
Opposite meanings are forsake, deter, disappoint, collapse.
Absolve.
Absolve mean pardon, forgive, reprieve, relent.
Opposite meanings are compel, accuse, charge, blind.
Acrimony.
Acrimony mean harshness, bitterness, inhumanity, enmity.
Opposite meanings are sweetness, courtesy, humanity, benevolence.
Accumulation.
Accumulation mean store, amass, preservation, conservation.
Opposite meanings are scattering, dissipation, separation, division.
Accord.
Accord mean agreement, harmony, consonance, unison.
Opposite meanings are disagreement, denial, controversy, discord.
Abound.
Abound mean flourish, swell, teem, plentiful.
Opposite meanings are deficient, destitute, want, scarce.
Adamant.
Adamant mean stubborn, obdurate, inflexible, rigid.
Opposite meanings are flexible, soft, suppleness, tender.
Abash.
Abash mean discourage, confound, embarrass, discompose.
Opposite meanings are encourage, uphold, embolden, hearten.
Adjunct.
Adjunct mean appendage, complement, addition, joining.
Opposite meanings are lessening, separation, subtraction, removal.
Adroit.
Adroit mean proficient, expert, skillful, adept.
Opposite meanings are inept, clumsy, unskilled, awkward.